Hi, so we are solving a indefinite integral problem again. So this problem came in IIT JEE Advanced year 1995 as objective question. So let's directly get into the problem. So we have to integrate this given term here. So you know, let's see it again. So we have sine in the sine and cos here. So one thing we can do here is we see, first of all, we see odd powers of cosines on the numerator and even power and sines in denominator. So the derivative of sine is cos, so we separate one cos out and just copy the denominator as it is, and we have to integrate this term. So we know if we put sine x as some t, then we know that cos x dx become dt. So we do the following substitution here. So we get the denominator remains t square plus t raised to power 4 plus cos x dx become dt, and cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x plus cos power 4x can be written as cos power 4x is nothing but cos square x whole square, which is nothing but 1 minus t square whole square. So we just write that. Now we do nothing but just expand the terms, so I will directly write it. So we will get a 2 plus t raised to power 4 minus t square minus 2t square, so this becomes minus 3t square. So we see that the degree at numerator is 4 and at denominator is also 4. So we will do nothing but just make it as a partial fraction, and so it will become, we try to split the numerator as a fraction of denominator plus something, and the rest over term is nothing but so now the integral of first part is like integral of 1 dt plus integral of second part is taking this, yeah, it's, we take t square common from denominator plus 1 plus t square. So first part is clear, it's integral of dt is t, plus for the second part, you know what we do is, for the inside part we write it as some a by t square plus b by 1 plus tt square. So we put t square equals to 0 here in this part to get 2 by 1 is equals to a, and this is t square equals to 0, and again we put t square equals to minus 1. This time we get 2 plus 4 divided by minus 1 is equals to b, so which implies b is equals to minus 6, and we had a equals to 12, 2, and b equals to minus 6. So we put these values here to get uh, t is the first part, and for the second part we just write it in this form, which is 2 divided by t square plus minus 6 divided by 1 plus t square. So now the integration of this whole thing has been boiled down to integrating this part. So first part, sorry, my bad. So first part we have already integrated, which is integrating this part. So this becomes t plus 2t square integral is t raised to power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 6, and we know integral of dt divided by 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse t. So this finally becomes t plus minus 2 by t minus 6 tan inverse t. Now we substitute t is equals to sin x, so it becomes sin x minus 2 by sin x plus 6, oh my bad, tan inverse sin x. So this is the answer for the problem integral, for the all following integral problem. We see that this is a very straightforward integral problem that came in year 1995, and the whole idea was, when we saw sine cos, the idea was to write cos as a derivative of the sine, and we did the simple substitution, sin x is equal to 2, and just followed some partial fraction integration approach. That was a simple problem. Thank you.